Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Mailchimp newsletter. First, navigate to Mailchimp's website and sign up for a free account using your email. You will then need to verify your email address and complete a few simple steps to set up your profile. This includes providing your organization's name and physical address, which is a requirement for email marketing. Finally, select your industry and business size to help Mailchimp tailor recommendations for you. Next, let's build your audience. You can easily import existing contacts from a CSV file or another service directly into Mailchimp. To grow your list, create a customizable sign-up form to embed on your website or share as a link. Consider segmenting your audience into groups based on their interests or how they interact with your emails. Always remember to comply with data privacy regulations, ensuring you have consent from all subscribers. Now, let's design your newsletter. Mailchimp offers hundreds of pre-designed templates. Choose one that fits your message. Customize it by adding your brand's colors, logo, and fonts to maintain consistency. Populate your newsletter with engaging content, high-quality images, and clear calls to action. Before sending, always preview your design on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect for everyone. Finally, it is time to send and track your newsletter. Select your target audience and schedule your campaign for a time when they are most likely to engage. Always perform a final review of all details, including links and content, before hitting send. After your campaign goes out, monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and consider a /B testing for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.